So first of all, if I have this, I should have this. You see the big difference here. The, it's already the proportions. I fucked her up a little bit. Then we have this, that is, you know, that is our eyes. Okay, so let's make the eyes. You see? Now it's much better already. In terms of proportion, it's much better. So, if this is the center, you know, I think that we need a sort of better proportion in those areas for our grill. Wow, it's looking much better. I think that you know, here should go inside the side holes. So this is all body, you know, it's a little bit like Audi, that it has all those faces, you know. I think, thank you, Debaji, thanks. I think it's better. And let's make it straight down. You see, we can have this type of hole, you know, on the side. I'm going to do the same thing here. I take my references, you know. You have to learn how to do this, by eye. You have to learn how to do this by eye. It's very important. It gives you Emanuele Martella. That looks really good, Mr. Luciano. Thanks, Emanuele. Grazie. Let's hope that at the end it's gonna be nice, because we don't know. Okay, so what are we missing? Now, the side of the body. Okay, good. So it's from here. You know, like that. So from here, like this. I'm sketching live, I'm thinking really live, to make things a little bit simpler, easier. Okay. All right. And now for the wheels. Okay. Yeah, you're right. Where is it? Ryan, you're right. I feel like you do. So maybe here we need a change here. Maybe like that. I agree. Something is wrong. It's not looking exactly. then a little bit here, a little bit here, it's not easy with all those faces to put the marker in the right spot. Okay, so now I'll take the white pencil and with the white pencil I will work the detailing of this front grille. Okay, so first I put my white lines as I like. Nice. Okay, so first you see that white line? That's very nice. Now I will just work with vertical lines. I will do something simple. I don't have time to do something that is a little bit more complicated. So this time we're gonna be only concentrating this area. It's useless that we put the highlights all over. So first of all, I put it here, here, like that. You see? Then I put it here. Because when we do that, you know, that we put the spot and after we make a sort of a shading of the highlight, then we will feel all the blades in vertical. You see? Well, so what do you think so far? All right, well, let's say that it's much better than before. It's not exactly how it should be, but much better. So thank you very much. Okay, click the $sign if you wish, and if not, it's fine anyway, don't worry. Take care and see you very soon.